Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. So first of all, you have to go to three dots. Now go to settings. Now go to in privacy. Once in the privacy, to get voice chatting or to enable voice chat, you have to be here in microphone and camera input. And to enable voice chat, you have to enable the first permission, use microphone to chat with voice. So to enable it, you have to tap on this or click on this toggle button. Same will be on the mobile. If you are on mobile, use the mobile app to enable voice chat. And the red dot shows that indicates that Roblox is recording your audio. And if you don't see this microphone here, you might not have verify your age. To verify your age, you have to go to an account info and you have to upload your photo ID and the selfie. And once you upload it, you will get this option, microphone option in the privacy. And once you get it, you just need to enable it by clicking on this toggle button. And once you enable it, now to use voice chat, you just need to open any game that supports microphone as communication. Open it, and now you can to enable voice chat. You just need to tap on this mic icon. Tap on it to enable voice chat. So once you tap on it, there must be a variation in the mic when you talk or when you speak. And yeah, now you can talk to anyone, any your friend, and yeah, that's how you can use it. So hope you like it guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.